how to use the new contact handpiece. The feature of a new contact handpiece is that the fiber is fixed directly in a transparent shield and not in the white shield. In this way, I can eliminate the problem that the fiber move inside the white shield. The fiber need to cut the white shield about 10 centimeter, and when I keep the contact handpiece, the fiber go inside this hole and exit from here, from the edge of the handpiece. Okay, for do this, I need to unscrew the head of the handpiece, keep the fiber, put inside the hole, the fiber exit from the handpiece, and now I keep the head of the handpiece and need to pass the fiber through this hole. Okay, I put the fiber inside and screw the head of the handpiece. Now I can regulate the length of the fiber. Okay, when I choose the length of the fiber, I can firmly screw the head of the handpiece. Okay, with a little torque, I can fix the fiber inside the handpiece. Now I can use the tips for guide the fiber in the head of the handpiece. Okay, in this way the fiber is perfectly fixed inside the handpiece.